Good morning, rising freshmen. My name is Carol McGlynn, and I am the director of the Upward Bound Talent Search Programs located at the University of Maine at Presque Isle. I first want to congratulate you on your moving from eighth grade and going into high school. This is a time where you probably have a lot of mixed feelings going on, some excitement, some anxiety, wonderment. Being part of Upward Bound hopefully can help make your transition into high school a little bit easier. We look forward to working with you this summer and as you go through your high school years to help guide and navigate you along the way. We will be a very supportive system for you as you are part of our program. Also, I want to congratulate you for being accepted into the Upward Bound program. Typically, I don't know if you know this, but typically our summer component is a residential component that we all come together at the UMPA campus and we take classes and we have fun and we spend the night. For some students, that's a 6-week long process, but for you, it would be 2. Unfortunately, because of the coronavirus, we are unable to have summer programming on campus, so we've had to shift everything to virtual. Hence, my message to you. I wanted to give you some information about your summer program this summer. You will be starting actually July 13th and ending July 24th. You have a 2-week program with us, and you will be having a live class daily with our 2D animation teacher. His name is Michael Lee. He is a professor at York Community College, and he will do a wonderful job introducing you to 2D animation. I really think that you'll love the class and really get a lot out of it. So Monday through Friday, you will be with him for a live class beginning at 11 o'clock in the morning. You will also have a live class with Michelle Richards, but only on Mondays. She will be teaching what's called UB 100, and this class is set up primarily to help transition you through as you transition into high school. I think that you'll gain a lot from Michelle. She's been doing this for a couple of years, and she really enjoys getting to know each and every one of our UB students. I think what you also need to know, well, I don't think I know, what you need to know is this. We will be distributing laptops to you, and why we're distributing laptops is primarily because there's a software program that has been downloaded onto the laptops to enable you to complete the 2D animation class. We will be distributing those laptops the week of July 5th. Your advisor, your UB advisor, will be in touch with you to set up a time and a day to drop off those laptops for you. We'll also be dropping off some supplies that you may need to complete your summer programming, and as well as a calendar, which will show you exactly what time your live class will be held, which means basically you'll be doing this through Michael and through Michelle, and they will have directions on how to do the live classes with them. So again, as we wrap up, I also want to say that there will be a summer stipend that you will receive upon completion. Your stipend will consist of $60, and we will be sending that via the mail to you once you complete our summer programming. I do need to remind you, however, if you've received summer paperwork, please get that back to us. Particularly one form, it's called the W-9 form, that we need from all of you so that you can get paid. We aren't able to cut any checks until we receive the W-9 form back. So in closing, important dates again is July 13th through July 24th. We will be in touch with you the week prior to drop off your supplies, your laptops, your chargers, supplies, forms that you'll need to sign, all of that. But your UB advisor will be in touch with you to set that time and day up. Again, I welcome you to the Upward Bound program. Although I wish that we were meeting personally, in person, I look forward to our first UB Saturday to get to know all of you better and in person. So take care, everyone. Have a wonderful summer. And until you begin on the 13th, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to your Upward Bound advisor, or you can certainly reach out to me as well, and I'll try to answer any questions or concerns you may have. My name is Carol McGlynn. You can reach me at carol.mcglynn, McGlynn, at maine.edu. And you can email me any questions or concerns that you may have. You can also call my telephone number at 768-9620. And I can guide you to your UB advisor, or I can certainly help and answer any questions or concerns you may have. Again, congratulations on your graduation from 8th grade, moving into high school, and also congratulations on your acceptance into the Upward Bound program. We truly look forward to getting to know you more. Take care, and I'll be in touch. Thank you.